guys, welcome back to today's video. And in today's video, ultimate show bag. I've got the ultimate fidget show bag. I'll be showing you my favourite fidgets and my least favourite fidgets. So let's get started. So I'm going to show you what came in the fidget bag first. A beautiful tie-dye puppet bracelet. I don't have any of these yet. Needles. I don't have any needles yet, especially the big ones and the small ones. Three new small needles. Oh, and by the way, these all came with packaging because COVID safe. A snake. Rainbow Slinky. I messed sprites up, but who cares? And the wacky track. I don't have any mini pop tubes yet. I got another big one. I don't have any oranges, I don't think. Yeah, I don't have any oranges and I don't have any greens. So new cards out to the collection, I guess. Two more marble mesh. Sorry guys for the interruption. Anyways, two marble meshes, one pink, one green. Snapper. Barrett chain. And one of these thinking puzzles, which I hate. I don't even want to try it. That's a bit too hard for me. Anyways, my least favourite fidget is the brain cheese. That is what they call it. This is not even a fidget. It says fidgets on here. This is not a fidget. Technically it is, but to me it's not considered a fidget. I don't like these type of fidgets. This I don't really consider that as a fidget. I mean, I consider it as a fidget, but I don't like that fidget. And the last one I don't like, snakes. I don't like snakes. And the ones I love, the needles. All the needles. Go for the puppets. And this is hard. Mini pop tube to remove. I know my mum was. Yeah. That's fun. Okay. And then these are the fidgets that I did not choose. See you guys in the next video.